Okay, so let us continue our discussion with regards dun sa word problem natin. So we will be
Sir,
discussing.
excuse me.
Yes, sir.
Sir, tawag lang po ako ng CM saglit ha. Nasa office pa kasi.
Sige lang, sir. Sige lang.
Nakikinig naman po ako, sir. Thank you.
Okay, okay. Thank you. Okay, so yan. Rate problems tayo. When tackling or handling rate problems, all you need to understand is yung formula ng distance. Okay? So yung formula ng distance is equals to rate times time. Or in symbols, S is equals to V times T. So, kung ganyan kasimple yung formula niya, pwede mong i-manipulate yung formula niya. No? So, halimbawa, time yung hinahanap, ang magiging formula mo ngayon will be T is equals to distance over velocity. Kapag velocity yung hinahanap, your formula na will be distance over time. Okay? So, kung medyo nalilito doon, tingnan nyo na lang yung unit. No? So, ang unit ng distance is meters. Unit ng time is S. So, ang velocity laging meters per second ang unit, no? So, para same track tayo. Okay? Then, we try to apply this formula sa ilang ba yung na-prepare ko? Dalawang klase ng rate problem dito. Okay? So, from CE Board, November 1984, an airplane flying with the wind took 2 hours to travel 1,000 kilometer and 2.5 hours in flying back. What was the wind velocity in kph? So we try to understand yung problem. So meron tayong airplane, then yung wind is along din doon sa direction niya, no? Kaya kung makikita nyo, nung papunta siya doon sa location na, we have a location na point A to point B, no? Let's say, ito yung tinravel ng airplane. Okay? So let's say yung distance nito is from the measured natin na distance or given distance na 1,000 kilometers. Kung makikita nyo, mas lesser yung time na yung pag-travel niya from point A to B kaysa yung pag-travel niya from B to A. Kasi, i-assume natin na yung wind natin, yung direction niya, nung from A to B, no, nung lumilipad yung plane mula dito sa A papunta dito sa B, is same sila ng direction, no? So, along siya ng direction niya. So, halimbawa, kung meron tayong airplane, so, imagine nyo na lang po na airplane yan, no? Okay, yan. Tapos, yung wind natin, yan, along din tayo dun sa wind, yung direction ng wind. Okay? Ibahin natin ang kulay. Okay? Yan, same direction ng wind. Okay? So, ang given sa atin, 2 hours yung time from A to B. So, yung from A to B, meron tayong 2 hours. And then, distance natin or S natin is 1,000 kilometers. Then, yung from T ng B to A, equal siya sa 2.5 hours. So, ang pinapahanap, ano yung wind velocity natin in kph? So, walang given na velocity ng airplane tsaka walang velocity ng wind, no? So, ang gagawin natin, um, ito kunyari yung velocity nung airplane, tawagin natin si X, no? Then si velocity ng wind, tawagin natin si Y. Okay? Dun sa formula natin kanina, distance is equals to velocity times time. Ang ano yung common sa from point A to point B tapos B to point A? Ano yung common sa kanila? They have the same
Link.
distance. No?
Distance.
Distance.
So,
Distance.
yan. Pwede natin i-gawin is, pwede kong gawin, since magkaiba ng time, gawin kong time is equals to, gawin lang natin consistent yung letter, no? S. Gawin kong S over V, no? Kasi yung time yung nagkaiba sa kanya. So, yung from A to B, no? Ang time natin is 2 hours. So, formula natin, S over V. Time natin is 2 hours. No? Distance natin is 1,000 kilometers. Okay? Hour, km. Then, yung velocity natin, since yung wind and airplane is same sila ng direction during A to B, sabihin natin x plus y yung velocity natin dito. Okay? So, pag sinimplify natin itong problem natin ito, magiging siyang 2x plus 2y is equals to 1,000. Or further simplify natin, divide natin all um, terms by 2. No? X plus y is equals to 500. So, meron tayong equation number 1. No? Yan yung para sa A to B. Ngayon, para kay B to A. Okay? So, using the same formula, T is equals to S over V. Yung time natin ngayon is 2.5. Then, distance is 1,000. Pero yung velocity natin ngayon is, ano na mangyayari? So, pagdating kay B to A, ang lagay, B, A, si wind natin, same direction tayo, no? Pero si plane natin, okay, si plane natin, papunta na siya doon. No? So, against na siya. So, ibig sabihin, magkokontrahan na yung dalawa. So, magiging velocity natin dito sa ilalim is x minus y. Okay? Naging una yung x kasi syempre, mas malaki yung velocity kayang ibigay ng plane. Kasi hindi siya makakarating doon sa A kung madadala lang siya ng hangin. No? Kaya x minus y lang yung nakalagay. Then, we try to simplify. 2.5x minus 2.5y is equals to 1,000. Then, can we divide all side by 2.5? Yes. So, x minus y is equals to 400. So, ito yung equation number 2 natin. So, ngayon, kunin natin yung equation 1 and equation 2 to solve yung value ng x and y natin. Pero ang concern natin is si wind velocity. So, y ang kailangan nating value. No? Okay? So, ito yung calculated values natin. Okay? So, ito yung equation 1 and equation 2. Okay? So, by elimination method, madali lang natin makuha yung x. No? Pag pinag-add natin yung dalawang equation na to. So, this will be 2x is equals to 900. Divide natin both side by 2. X is equals to 450 kph kasi kilometers tsaka r yung ano natin. Pero ito yung velocity ng plane which is hindi natin kailangan. Ang kailangan natin ay si y. So using any equation, equation 1 or 2, no? X plus y is equals to 500. So y is equals to 500 minus x. So substitute natin yung value ng x na na-compute natin. So y is equals to 50 kph. Therefore, ito yung sagot natin, which is ito yung nagpo-pertain sa velocity of wind. Okay? Question po regarding this problem?
Linaw po, malinaw.
Okay? Next. So, same pa din. Airplane pa din tayo. Pero yung condition natin, sabi, the velocity of an airplane in still air is 125 kilometers per hour. The velocity of the wind due east is 25 kilometers per hour. If the plane travels east and return back to its base again after 4 hours, at what distance does the plane travel due east? Okay? So, okay. That is not in problem. So, we have 2 points again. No? Pero ngayon, sa compass natin, uh, west, south, no? Due is yung direction ng wind natin. If the plane travels east, so parehas ulit ng return back to its base after 4 hours. Okay? So A and B. Then si plane natin nandito ulit, no? And then yung velocity natin is given equals sa 125 kph. Then si air, si wind, sorry, velocity niya is 25 kph. Pinapahanap is yung distance, no? So, ito, yung S natin. Pero nakalagay dito, if the plane travels east and return back to its base again after 4 hours. Yung 4 hours tinutukoy dito is yung total time from T, yung from A to B, then B to A. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, kailangan natin kunin yung T, A to B, saad natin yung sa time to get from B to A, equals yan dun sa 4 hours na given sa atin. So, yan yung pinakaunang equation natin. Okay? So, all we need to do is to get yung T, A to B, tsaka T, B to A. Okay? So, yung formula natin kanina, S is equals to VT. So, ang T natin is equals to S over V. S natin is unknown. Okay? Then, from A to B, si velocity ng ating plane and si wind is magtutulungan sila. So, 125 plus 25 tayo dito. Then, from B to A, magiging against na ngayon si wind, no? Minus 25 is equals to 4. So, simplify, we have 150 plus S over 100 is equals to 4. Okay? Um, so, dito pwede mo nang i-calculate ito, no? Pwedeng factor out mo si S. So, 150 plus 1 over 100 is equals to 4. Then, divide mo both side by nung addition ng dalawa. So, pagka-add niya, we have 1 over 60. So, S is equals to 4 times 60 or 240 kilometers. Okay? So, ito na yung final answer natin. So, ito yung distance para kailangan i-travel dun sa ano natin. Okay? Question regarding rate problem. So basta stick lang kayo dun sa formula ng distance, and then dapat ma-analyze niyo ng tama yung problem, no, kung ano yung binibigay na given. Like for example, kung hindi niyo ina-analyze na yung 4 hours na given is yung total time it takes from A to B and B to A, hindi niyo makukuha yung formulation no dito sa part na to, no. So kung hindi niyo ma-identify tong formulang to, you will not be able to arrive with this answer. No? Okay? So, after rate problem, now we will go to age problem. Okay. So, sa age problem, ito yung laging kinukuha ng mga examiner na pang ano no, pang panglito na problem. Kasi sabi nga one of the most common problem ng algebra siya kasi madaling malito ang nagso-solve pag ano pag sino-solve yung age problem. Kasi you need to identify yung yung gamit ng words, yung paggamit ng is, was, and will, no, yung past, present, and future ng statement, mahalaga siya, no? So, basically, nakadepende siya dun sa understanding mo nagsosolve. So, by practice naman, nakukuha naman siya kung merong mga madaming cases kayong masosolve na age problem, no? So, for now, try natin to. So ito is lumabas sa iba't ibang sa iba't ibang board exam. Sa SEE, sa CE, sa GE, sa ECE. So mahilig talaga sila mag-recycle. Ang tanong, Mary is 24 years old. Mary is twice as old as Anna was. When Mary was as old as Anna was, how old is Anna? Okay? So, eh, so kailangan, yan, ihimay-himayin niyo yung problem. Ang kailangan, pinakamagandang technique is i-identify nyo kung ano yung present, yung past, saka yung future, no? So, sa present, no? So, ang pinag-uusapan natin ay si Mary tsaka si kapatid niyang si Anna, no? Ito si Mary. Ito si Anna. Okay? Is. Is present, no? Pertaining sa present condition. Sabi, si Mary is 24 years old. Ibig sabihin, ngayon, 24 years old si Mary. Yung kasunod na statement, Mary, okay? So, yung age ni Mary, so let's say, M na lang gamitin natin. Mary is, yung is now term. Ang is sa algebra is usually equal sign niya. Okay? Sabi, twice as old as Anna was. Okay? Was. Kung ano, twice as old as Anna was. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, twice as old nung age ni Anna nung past. Okay? So, hindi natin alam kung ilan um, yung past na tinutukoy niya, no? So, sabihin natin, X yung past na ano natin. So, kung si Ana, yung age niya, halimbawa, letter A ang representation natin. Kung sa past, ibig sabihin si Mary, ang age niya nung past, siya ay 24 minus X, no? Yung X years. Tapos si Ana, ang age na dati ay A minus X years, no? Doon sa second statement, sabi niya, Mary, so ito si Mary, is twice as old as Anna was. So, twice as old as Anna was. Kung ano yung edad ni ni Anna nung past. So, A minus X. Okay? Pero ano bang value ng M natin? Yung value ng M natin is 24. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, 24 is equals to 2 A minus X. Ito yung first equation natin. Mula doon sa statement na yan. Tapos yung second statement niya, when Mary was as old as Anna now. Mary was, no? Mary was, ibig sabihin, past ni Mary, so 24 minus X, as old as, so parang in-equate niya dun sa age ni Anna now. Yung age ni Anna now is A, no? So ito yung second equation natin. Ang tinatanong ngayon, how old is Anna? Okay? So based from these two equations, kakalculate natin ngayon yung present age ni Anna. Okay? Simplify natin yung first equation. Divide natin both side by 2. Meron tayong 12 is equals to A minus X. Then dito, since A is equals to 24 minus X, pwede natin siyang substitute dito. No? Yung value ng A. So 12 is equals to 24 minus X minus X. Then simplify. Try natin ilipat yung kabila. So magiging 12 minus 24 is equals to negative 2x. So we have negative 12 is equals to negative 2x. Okay. Divide natin both side by negative 2. X now is equals to 6. Pero hindi yan yung age ni Ana. Yan yung past na pinag-uusapan natin. No? Ang age ni Ana is A is equals to 24 minus X, or si Ana daw is 24 minus 6 ay 18 years old ngayon. Okay? So ito yung sagot natin. Okay. Okay? Nakuha po kaya itong kay itong first example natin?
Sir, kuha yan.
Kuha, kuha. Okay?
Wow.
Sige. Ah, i-ano nyo lang kasi baka lang naman ano, baka biglang lumabas sa pre-board nyo, no? Baka lang. Kasi paborito nga to ng mga ano, examiner, no? Yung gantong condition. Next. Medyo nakakalito pa daw. Okay, so ang yun nga, ang basta ang mahalaga kailangan marunong kayong mag-chop-chop nung ano, nung statement, no? Kasi kung babasahin mo lang siya kahit paulit-ulit, ang hirap niyang i-digest. So, ang pinaka-technique sa age problem is to make a table ng past, present, future, or present, future para mas madali mong ma-identify kung ano yung age ng mga taong involved sa particular condition or uh, situation na tinutukoy dun sa problem. Okay? So, try natin yung kasunod. So, Roberto is 25 years younger than his father. However, his father will be twice his age in 10 years. Find the ages of Roberto and his father. Okay? So, let muna natin, i-assume natin, let X yung age ni Roberto, then Y is yung age ng kanyang father. Okay? So, based sa table, future tsaka present yung pinag-uusapan natin, no? So, si X, si Roberto, si Y yung father niya. Yung present, future. Okay? Yung condition, Roberto is, so present, 25 years younger than his father. So, yung age ng father niya, so let's say Y yung age ng father niya, 25 years younger siya, so 25 minus, Y minus 25, yung age ni Robert. Nakamalit to. Roberto. Okay? Sa future, in 10 years. So 10 years yung dadagdag sa edad nila parehas, no? His father will be twice his age, no? In 10 years. However, his father will be twice his age in 10 years. So ang age ni Roberto in 10 years will be Y minus 25. Ito yung age niya ng present plus 10 kasi mag-iedad siya ng 10. Okay? Then, yung age ni father niya is twice kung ano yung age ni Roberto in 10 years. Okay? So, Y minus 25 plus 10. Okay? So, paano natin makukuha ngayon yung equation? Okay, so, hmm. Itong age in present ni Roberto, di ba, X yung ino natin, ibig sabihin itong equation na to equal sa X. No? Sabihin nito ay equals to sa X plus 10. Okay? So, X plus 10, yung age ni Robert, magiging equals siya sa twice ng age ng father niya by 10 years. Okay? So, uh, lang check ko lang yung problem. 25 years younger than his father.
Wow, sir.
Okay, 10 years. Uh, to
Wow.
hmm, pag yung Y yung ginamit, uh,
Ayun yung
Roberto is 25 years younger than his father. However, his father will be twice his age in 10 years. So yung age na in 10 years ay equals dun sa twice his age. His father will be twice his age. X plus 10. So,
So, 10 years, 35, 35.
hmm, okay. Wait lang po.
Father,
age ni Roberto, 15.
At present, yung age ni Roberto is y minus 25. Ito yung first equation natin. In the future, yung x plus 10,
Age ng
yung,
tatay niya,
yung
40.
age niya will be, yung age ng tatay niya, so 2 times y minus 25 plus 10. Okay, so ito yung second equation natin. So simplify natin yung second equation. X plus 10 is equals to 2y minus 25, minus 50
Age ni Roberto, 15.
plus 10.
Yung
Okay,
niya,
so cancel out yung 10. So we have x is equals to 2y minus 50. So meron tayong two equations, two unknown. So gamitin natin.
find the ages of the boys.
So x
15.
is equals to y minus 25 minus x is equals to 2y minus 50. So kung minus yun, magma-minus to, tapos plus. So 0, this will be negative y, then this will be um, plus 25, or y is equals to 25. So yung present age ng tatay niya is 25 years old. Then yung age ni Roberto, ba't 0?
Pero
Tama.
sir, kasi 25 years younger eh.
Mm,
15 for ano yan, 1540. Assuming
ano sir? If,
1540, 15 ang age ni Roberto, 40 yung tatay niya. Kasi after 10 years, doble ang edad. So after 10 years, 25 na si Roberto, 15 na tatay niya. So 15 at saka 40. Assumption lang yun, sir. Nag-assumption lang ako.
ah, so yung x nga dito, kung 25 yung tatay niya sa present, dito wala pa siya, hindi pa siya nagbo-birthday. Ano ba?
Hindi pa siya pinapanganak yan.
hindi ba pinapanganak?
Oo. Okay,
Kasi
wait.
ito,
Uh,
anyway,
25 years younger than his brother. However, his
wala
father will be,
sa nanay.
Zero age. Ibig sabihin, zero age.
sa choices wala eh.
Walang 1540, sir, sa choices.
Merong 1540.
Yun.
Bigla akong naguluhan. Wait lang ho ulit ha. Analyze ko lang yung problem. X minus
Pre-
20. Um, Pagawin nga natin to. I-try ko ng isang solution to, ano. So yung try natin, x is yung father's age. Okay? So sa present, ang sabi dun sa problem, Roberto is 25 years younger than his father. So kung si Roberto to, ito yung father. Sa present, yung father niya x. So siya ay x minus 25. Then in the future, after 10 years, so 10 years, so yung father niya, his father will be twice his age in 10 years. So in 10 years, x plus 10 na yung age ng father niya. So, however, his father will be twice his age. Twice his age. Ang age ni Roberto in the future will be x minus 25 plus 10. So, yung age ng father in the future, x plus 10, equal siya dun sa twice ng age ni Roberto in the future. Minus 25 plus 10. Okay? So, x plus 10 is equal to 2x minus 50 plus 10. So, this will be x plus 10, 2x minus 40. Magiging transpose. So, 10 plus 40 is equal to 2x minus x, or 50 is equals to x. So tama, ang present age ng tatay niya is tama. 25, 2 times 25, 50, negative 40 plus 40. Ba't gano'n? Okay. Alam ko ng mali ko. Yung naka times 2 is dapat yung lahat ng terms. So kasama. Okay. So yung term natin, yeah, twice, yeah, minus 50. Baguhin ko to. Kung 2 times x minus 15. Okay. This will be 2x minus 30. So this will be 10 plus 30, 2x minus x. So x equals to 40. Okay. Then sa present, ito yung father's age. Then x minus 25 is equals to 40 minus 25 is equals to 15. So ito yung Roberta's age. Okay? So ang sagot po ay 15 and 40. Okay. Tama yung assumption ni Sir kanina. Sir. Okay? So nalito ako dito kasi nag-assume ako ng dalawang variable dito. No? Kaya nalito dito. Pero dito, mas malinaw dito na yung father's age is X, then 25 years younger si Roberto. And in the future, so yung father niya mag-edad siya ng 10 years. So yung present age ni Roberto, which is X plus 25, mag-age din siya ng 10 years. Then yung isang condition na sinabi, yung age ng father niya in 10 years ay equal sa twice nung age ni Roberto. Ito yung age ni Roberto. Twice yun. So, isi-simplify lang. We have 40 as yung father's age, then Roberto as 15. Okay? Okay, so thank you po for that problem.
Puro present yan, sir.
Yes, present.
Okay.
Okay, 15 and 40. Next, yan, punta tayo sa arithmetic progression. Okay, sa arithmetic progression is a sequence. Yes, yes, dun po sa problem kanina, pwede nang isa lang variable yung gamitin. Okay? Arithmetic. Ayan, sige, arithmetic progression po tayo. Um, Sinasabing in arithmetic progression ng isang sequence kapag yung each term nila o yung each succeeding term has a common difference. So, limbawa, you have given a set of numbers, limbawa 1, 3, 5, and 7. No? Pag chinek mo yung yung succeeding tsaka yung preceding o yung present and yung preceding niya. So, halimbawa 3 minus 1, no? Dito. So, meron tayong difference na 2. Ano to pag pinag-minus mo, may difference din siyang 2. Dito, may difference din siyang 2. Pag consistent na yung ilang terms mo is may common difference, automatic siya ay nagpo-fall under ng arithmetic progression. Okay? Then the corresponding sum of all terms in a arithmetic progression is called arithmetic series. So there are only two formulas daw to remember when dealing with arithmetic progression. First one is yung n term o any term dun sa problem. Ang formula natin is an or any term is equals to yung a1, yung first term, plus n minus 1d. Okay? So ang an natin, again, is any term. Then a1 is yung first term. Ito yung a1. No? A1, first term. Then n minus 1. Ang n is kung ano yung pinapahanap na term. No? Kung pang ilang term. Then yung d is yung difference. So, ito yan. No? D. Then sum of all terms, ang formula naman niya is yung n over 2 times a1 plus an. Okay? So, since may an na present doon, pwede mong substitute yung formula ng an dito. Kaya meron tayong another formula for summation as n over 2 times 2a minus 1, 2a1 plus n minus 1. Okay. Okay. So, problem. So, find the 30th term of the arithmetic progression 4, 7, and 10. So, sabi niya arithmetic progression siya pero we have to check. So, 7 minus 4 is 3. 10 minus 7 is 3. So, may common difference siya. So, hindi na. So, may update 3. Ang pinapanap is 30th term. So, ang n natin is equals to 30. So, ang an equals tayo sa a 30th is equals to a1 plus n minus 1d. So, substitute natin, yung a1 natin is 4 plus yung n natin na hinahanap is 30 minus 1. Ang difference natin is 3. So, 4 plus 29 times 3. So, ilan yan? Plus 4. So, A30 natin o 30th term na hinat natin is 91. Okay? So, nakabase lang naman po sa formula. No? Next, how many terms of the progression 357 must be in order to uh, that their sum will be 2,600. Okay? Yung progression natin is 3, 5, and 7. So, pag kinuha na chinek natin, yung difference, Meron tayong common difference na 2. So, pwede natin i-assume na arithmetic progression talaga siya. So, common difference natin is 2. Ang A1 natin is 3. N, wala tayong value ng N, pero meron tayong value ng sum. Okay? Then, ang formula ng sum natin kanina is N over 2 times 2A1 plus N minus 1A. Okay? Pinapahanap is yung number ng terms na magbibigay ng sum na 2,600. So, substitute natin 2,600 N over 2, 2 times 3 plus N minus 1, 2. Okay? So, cross multiply natin, we have 5,200 and 6 plus 2N minus 2. Simplify equals to N. So, 4 plus 2N, 5,200 is equals to 4N plus 2N squared. So, pwede natin i-divide all side of the equation by 2 or multiply natin ng 1 half. So, this will be 2,600 equals to 2n plus n squared. So, meron tayong quadratic equation minus 2,600 equals to 0. So, yung quadratic formula natin pinag-aralan kanina sa video is n1 natin will be negative b plus square root of ano bang formula? Minus 4ac
B squared.
b squared, okay,
B squared minus 4.
over 2a. Okay. So, ang a natin dito is 1, ang b natin is 2, and c natin is negative 2,600. Calculate natin, so negative 2 plus 2 squared is 4 minus 4 times 1, so 4 times 1 times negative 2,600 all over 2. So, n1 natin equals to square root of 4 for negative 2,600 over 2. So, we have 50. Then, yung n2 natin, i-reverse lang natin yung sign nitong dito. So,
Minus. Minus.
magiging minus siya. So, magiging siyang negative 52, which is hindi pwede dun sa term natin. So, ito ay trivial to. So, pwede mong i-disregard yung number na to. So, ibig sabihin, para magkameron 2,600 na sum, ang number of terms mo should be 50. Okay. So,
Tapos sir, mas madaling formula.
sir,
Wala tayong mas madaling formula.
wait lang. Ano po ulit?
Wala tayong mas simpleng formula.
Simpleng formula, i-factor nyo po sir ito. Kung sa calculus po, mode 5 po kayo kung kaso yung calculus nyo, no? Mode 5,
Equation.
yes, mode 5. Tapos, yung para sa quadratic ay 3. Tapos, i-input nyo po 1 equals 2 equals as negative 2,600. Yung lalabas sa sagot ay 50 tsaka negative 52.
Oh. Ilalagay ko sir, 1.
1 equals yung value po ng ABC natin na nakuha.
1 equals 3 upon 5.
Ano sab? Mode 1, mode
Ano yung
5-3.
5?
At as input nyo lang 1 equals 2 equals negative 2,600 equals as equals ulit. Lalabas na yung x1 is equals to 50 and x2 is equals to negative 52.
Sa A ko lang sir ilalagay.
Ano, sir?
Sir, pwedeng pakita sa, may antang dito yung online na calculator para mas madaling sundan.
Hindi ko, wait lang. Tingnan ko, sir, ha, kung ma-search ko ngayon. Meron kasi akong app dati, no, na wala ako. Hindi ko alam kung saan ko nalagay na PDF.
RC RCFX 570.
RCFX 570
570. 570B.
D.
B.
Ah,
BSN Victory, sir.
okay. Emulator. Okay. Wait, download ko lang po.
Parehas ng calculate niyo, sir.
Okay, sige, sige. Wait lang po. Wait nga lang din po. Sagutin ko lang yung tawag, no?
Balita ba mga kabayan?
Kabayaran na yung NC2 mo.
Ha?
Ano yung NC2 mo?
Ito yung mga training certificate ko, kabayan.
Grabe, ang dami naman yung kabayan, no?
Kulang pa
Grabe.
yan. Di ko pa nga nadala yung iba.
Punong-puno ang dingding, ah.
Wala kailangan eh. Kailangan mong ipakita sa kanila na you are a competent person.
SO3 yan. Ayan.
NC2, inspector ako eh, scaffold inspector. Tapos
Ano
ito, yung training ko sa isang certificate is abrasive, power tools and networks, waste management, work at heights, plenum, authorized gas tester, confined space, HASCOM.
Ikaw nang
Tapos
malakas kabayan.
5 million safe man hours. Yung 20 million, di ko nadala. Naiwan ko sa isang ano.
Ikaw nang malakas kabayan.
Di naman. Hinanapan kasi ako ni Euro Tower, yung owner dito, yung may-ari ng 37 floor na itong building.
Hindi ko mahanap, sir, yung kung saan pwede ma-download yung free.
Yan sir, si Sir Don, marami yan sir. Kahit calculator, magbibigay po yan.
Hindi, sige sir, i-message ko sa ano niyo, sir, messenger.
Ay, sige.
1 second. Nasa ano yun eh. Ito kay ma'am, wedding.
Si Wiring din na nagbigay nga sa akin noon before.
Apa. I-send ko po, i-forward ko po sa inyo.
Sige, sige, sir.
Forward. Sa inyo po, sir, no?
Mm-hmm.
Yan na po, sir. Yan na po.
Download. Para mapakita ko yung ano. Pati yun yung shortcut para sa quadratic equation.
Apa. Meron po dyan.
Okay, kita po nila. Yung calcu nga lang makita ninyo.
Yes, sir. Kita po, kita.
So,
Apo,
mode,
kita po sir, kita.
mode po, sige, on natin, mode, tapos 5, then yung 3. Yan. As yung na-identify nating ABC kanina, yung para sa coefficient ng quadratic equation. So, 1 equals 2 equals, tapos negative 2,600 equals. Yan. So, may 50, tsaka negative 52 yung lalabas. So, yung negative 52, hindi natin pwede i-accept kasi walang term na lalaro dito sa 52. So, 50 lang yung pwede natin i-accept na value. So, 50 will be the answer. No? Okay, para po ulit. So, balik natin sa simula. Sa mode 5 equation, kaya 5 yung kailangan natin i-press. Then, yung quadratic equation is number 3. Yung number 4 ay cubic equation. So, quadratic lang tayo sa squared lang. Kaya 3. Tapos, yung value ng A dun sa slide natin kanina, 1 is equals to, tapos 2 equals, tapos negative 2,600 equals. Tapos equals ulit. Yeah. So, 50 and negative 52. Same as nung na-calculate natin ng by formula ng quadratic equation. Okay? Okay, so okay, so going back dito. So ito yung in-input natin na yun, yung 1, 2 at negative 2,600. Next, we have harmonic progression. So harmonic progression naman yung tawag sa sequence na kapag na-reciprocal mo, nagpo-form siya ng arithmetic progression. Kasi halimbawa, pag chinek mo siya for arithmetic progression, hindi siya nagsasame ang difference. Tapos pag halimbawa, chinek mo siya nung isang progression pa natin, na tawag na geometric progression, hindi din siya lalabas doon, no? So, basta once na nireciprocal nyo yung mga terms, pwedeng arithmetic progression na ulit yung solution mo. Okay? So, let's say, for example, this problem, find the fourth term of the progression 1/2, 0.2, and 0.125. So, pag chinek mo, 2 minus 1, 0.2, okay, 0.2 minus 0.5, so negative 0.3 to. Tapos pag pinag-minus mo ang 0.125 minus 0.2, ang difference na is 0.075, which is malayo dun sa unang difference mo. So, itry mong balik ka rin ngayon yung term mo. Okay? So, ito yung 1/2 magiging siyang 2 over 1 or 2 na lang, no? Pwedeng 2 na lang. Yung 0.2, pag inano mo sa calcu, ang lalabas sa kanya is 1 over 5. Pag pinindot mo lang sa calcu, 1 over 5. So, ibig sabihin, ito ay 1 over 5. Ang 0.125 ay 1 over 8. Okay?
Gagawing fraction.
So, pag binaliktad mo, magiging 5, magiging 8. Okay? So, pag kinuha mo yung difference ngayon, this will be 3. Then, 8 minus 5 is 3. Okay? So, once nakuha mo na yan, kunin mo na yung fourth term using AP na equation. So, ang n mo is equals to 4, ang A1 mo is equals to 2. So, ang A4 mo will be A1 plus n minus 1 d. Ang d natin is 3. So, 2 plus n minus 1. So, 4 minus 1 times 3 is 2 plus 9, or A4 natin is equals to 11. Pinapanap fourth term ng harmonic progression. this is para dun sa fourth term ng arithmetic progression. So, ang harmonic progression, ang tawag natin H4, equals dapat sa reciprocal ng arithmetic progression natin. So, 1 over 11 dapat yung sagot niya. No? Hindi lang 11. Okay? So, dapat 1 over 11.
Sir, ano yun?
Alin?
Ano po
Difference
yun?
term.
Ano
So,
yun?
once na na-prove natin na in arithmetic progression yung reciprocal nila, yung same formula para sa arithmetic progression yung gagamitin natin. Okay? Next, sabi ko, the third term of a harmonic progression is 15 and the ninth term is 6. Find the 11th term. Okay? So, yung H3 daw ay equals sa 15, yung H9 is equals to 6. Pinapahanap is yung H11. Okay? So, yung H3, so kung gusto kong kunin yung arithmetic equivalent niya, 1 over 15. Then yung H9, yung A9 natin will be over 6. So, para makuha yung solution ng third term, so A3 A1 plus n minus 1D. So, hindi natin alam ang value ng D. Yung n natin dito, since A3 yung pinag-uusapan natin, yung value ng A3 is 1 over 15 A1 plus 3 minus 1D or 1 over 15 is equals to A1 plus 2D. Ito yung first equation natin. Second equation, A9 is equals to A1 plus yung n natin is 9 minus 1D. So, value ng A9 natin is 1 over 6. A1 is unknown. So, magigitong 8D. So, ito yung second equation natin. So, pwede natin kunin yung A1 is equals to 1 over 15 or by elimination na lang para mas mabilis. No? So, lagay natin ito dito. 1 over 15 is equals to A1 plus 2D. Tapos, pag minusin natin. So, 1, 6 minus 1 over 15. So, we have 110 equals to 6D. So, difference natin will be 1 over 60. Okay? So, ito yung difference natin ng arithmetic progression. So, makukuha natin yung value ng A1. So, 1 over 15 equals to A1 plus 2 times 1 over 60. So, ang A1 natin, by calculate na lang po. Hindi nakasya kasi. Minus 2 over 60. A1 natin is 1 over 30. So, pag nakuha mo na yun, makukuha mo yung A11. A1 plus 11 minus 1D. So, yung A1 natin is 1 over 30 plus 10D. Ang D natin is 1 over 60. So, ang A11 natin is 1 over 30 plus 10 times 1 over 60. So, that is 1 over 5. So, therefore, ang H11 natin is 5. Since harmonic yung pinapahanap sa atin. Okay?
5.
Yes. 5 po. 5.
Ano ka laki ito? Kasi 6. 8. 9.
Kasi yung sa pagtingnan mo yung difference, ang late 1 over 60. Eh, yun. So, decreasing yung natin, sequence natin. Okay? So, after harmonic, we now go to geometric progression. So, geometric progression is a sequence na kapag yung common ratio o yung ratio ng present over preceding is equal with each other. Okay? So, yung formula na kailangan natin tandaan, an is equals to a1 times r raised to n minus 1. Then, kapag sum of all terms, ayan yung formula. Okay? So, proceed na agad tayo sa problem. Okay, so there are 4 geometric means between 3 and 729. Okay, find the fourth geometric progression. Okay, so anong ibig sabihin? Okay, 729. 4 geometric means between 3 and 729. So meron tayong 3, tapos may 4, tapos meron tayong 729.
Sir,
Yes.
question din.
So hindi natin alam kung ilan yung number ng terms, no? Kasi alam natin, 729 yung end nung value ng term natin. So yung formula natin, again, is AN is equals to A1 R n minus 1. Okay? So may 4 geometric means between 3 and 729. So ibig sabihin may apat ditong digit, no? Between nung 3 and 729. So ang total natin na n, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So n is equals to 6. Okay? So para makuha yung R, may value na tayo ng AN. So yung AN natin, 729. 729 is equals to A1 natin is 3. R, tapos 6 minus 1. So 729 divide 3, 243 equals to R, 5. Okay? Then, i-proof lang natin. R na makukuha natin is i-proof ng 243 is 3. Okay? Napanap yung fourth term. So, n is equals to 4. So, A4 is equals to A1 times yung R natin. Then 4 minus 1. So, we have 3, 3, 3. So, 27 times 3 equals 81. So, ito yung fourth term na hinahanap natin. Okay?
Progression niya, sir.
Yes, geometric na tayo. Geometric progression na tayo.
Ano po ba yung progression niya?
Pag geometric progression na to, yung succeeding terms, halimbawa, 2, 4, 8, 16. Ito, pag kinuha mo yung ratio, 4 over 2 equals sa 2. So, pag kinuha mo yung ratio, 8 over 4 equals sa 2. Ito, pag kinuha mo yung ratio, 16 over 8 equals sa 2. No? So, geometric progression siya pag the same yung ratio ng present and preceding number.
Okay, okay.
Okay?
Ito po
Tama,
na,
tama.
ano po yung progression niya?
Anong...
Yung 3, tas ano yung susunod po kaya number?
Pwede mo na, sir, hanapin. Gamitin mo yung formula para sa A2. Hindi, bali, ang sabi namin niya, sir, may 4 geometric means. So, may 4 numbers between nung 3 and 729. Nilagyan ko lang at dot kanina po. Kasi unknown pa siya.
So sa A4 niya is A4.
Ano, sir?
A4 niya is
A4,
A4.
A4, A4 lang yung hinahanap. Yung fourth term lang tayo.
Arithmetic fourth term.
7. Siguro yung third.
Yung ano lang niya, sir, yung notation na ginamit niya is the same. Pwede nyo naman sigurong gawin, dito kasi siya nakikitang G yung ginagamit yung gano'n eh.
Yung variable po.
Alin? Saan po ba
Pwede mag-iba ng variable.
Pwede naman po para hindi kayo malito. Gawin yung ibang
Alright.
variable para hindi kayo malito.
Okay. Kala ko kasi A lang ng A eh.
Ay sa ano po, sa formula po ng books. Same lang din na A din yung...
Alright. Oo, tama.
Okay po. Okay, next. There are... parehas ba yun? Bakit parehas yun? Find the sum. Parehas nga.
Hirap ng pre-board namin, sir.
Ang na to, Sam.
Sum naman to. Sum yung yun.
Ito na yung tanong ko kanina. Para makita natin.
So, yung sum, ang formula niya is ito. No? So, S is equals to A1 times Rn minus 1 all over R minus 1. Okay? Calculated natin from the previous slide na yung R natin is equals to 3. N natin is equals to 6. No? A1 natin is equals to 3. So, substitute nyo lang. So, 3. R natin is 3 raised to 6 minus 1. Then, 3 minus 1. So, sa calcu, 3 times 3 raised to 5 minus 1 over 2. Okay? 3, 6 minus 1. 3 raised to 6. So, 1092 yung sum niya. Okay? Okay, then last, we have yung infinite geometric progression naman tayo. So, sa infinite, ang nangyayari naman siya, type siya ng geometric progression, pero yung number ng terms niya is extremely large or infinity. Ibig sabihin yung ratio, if the ratio is greater than 1, yung sum ng all terms is infinite. Kapag less than 1, sum of all terms ay equal sa formula na A1 over 1 minus R. Okay? For a while nga po. Okay? So, this is a problem to determine the sum of the infinite series. So, 1 half, 1 fourth, 1/8 up until 1 over 2 raised to n. So, identify natin yung value. So, yung 1 half, so in-indicate naman na infinite series siya, no? So, pwede natin i-apply. A1 natin is 1 half. Yung sum natin, o yung, hindi natin alam yung R pa. So, kunin natin yung R. 1 fourth over 1 half. So that is also equals to 1 fourth times 2 over 1. So that will be 1 half. Okay? Check pa natin ang isa. 1/8 over 1 fourth equals then sa 1/8 times 4 over 1. So equals sa 1 half. So 1 half yung R natin. So sum natin is equals to A1 over 1 minus R. So equals sa 1 half over 1 minus 1 half. Or equals sa 1 yung sum natin. Okay? Next, determine the sum of the infinite series. So, check nyo na lang ulit yung ratio. So, 3 halves over 3. Okay, so this will be 1 half. Okay, then 3 fourths over 3 halves equals sa 3 fourths times 2 thirds. So, cancel out to. So, yung 1, 2. So, 1 half. So, R natin is equals to 1 half. A na 1 natin is equals to 3. So, ang sum natin will be equal sa A1 over 1 minus R. So, sum natin is 3 over 1 minus ratio is 1 half. So, 3 over 1 half or sum natin is equals to 6. Okay? So, yan po yung end nung para sa progression natin. Okay? So, mayroon pa po sanang kasunod. Kaso, gusto niyo po ba isunod pa natin yung geometry? Ano, sir? Pero may recorded na po ako nung geometry. So, I can just post it na lang po sa ULM.
Sige sir, mas okay lang din sir.
Thank you na
Para
lang,
mas
sir.
malinaw po. Thank you na lang po.
Ito, ganun na lang.
Sir, pause nyo na lang, sir. Pause na lang po.
Para may nag-ahasa.